This Bedbug Interceptor trap relies on the bedbug's poor ability to climb on smooth surfaces. The traps have rough areas to let bedbugs enter easily, and a smooth-surfaced moat that keeps them from escaping. An interceptor trap has three purposes. It detects bedbug infestations. It prevents bedbugs from entering protected furniture such as beds and couches. And finally, it reduces the spread of bedbugs already on the furniture. Remember, it is best to manage a bedbug infestation early if you can. Do not let it get out of hand, or it will become more difficult and expensive to handle. So to make this bedbug trap, you are going to need 4 smaller plastic food storage containers that your bedpost can fit inside. 4 medium plastic food storage containers, slightly larger than the first set. And 1 roll of duct tape. You are also going to need one of the following: Cymexa insecticide dust, which is the best way of killing them. Diatomaceous earth, which is the second best. If it's not possible to obtain either of these ingredients, it's okay to use baby powder or talcum powder. The next step is to cover the outside of the larger container with duct tape. This allows the bedbug to be able to climb into, but not out of, the larger container. The third step is to place the smaller container inside the larger container such that the walls of the containers do not touch. Step 4 is to fill the space between the containers with Cymexa, diatomaceous earth, or baby powder. The final step is to place the furniture leg inside the smaller container of the interceptor. As you can see, this trap is foolproof and effective. By using this trap, you can tell if you have a bedbug problem, and you can also stop them from infesting your furniture and biting you. It's very easy to make, and it's a stunningly easy solution for your bedbug problem. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on how to get rid of pests using Dawn dish soap. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.